Hi, this is Srikant Valuru. Today we'll see a business use case in a retailer's domain. Let me read this for you. It's my 2 cents, your $2. Let's see how best I can justify this statement. This is a shirt in a retailer's website. A customer browses the website and looks up the shirt, and the moment he wants to buy this, he would check the price and see like, oh, this is a bit more for me. I might be interested in this shirt in case if the price drops to some level and get some discount on this shirt. In today's scenario, there is no way for the customer to get notified if the price is reduced unless he gets some general retailer's coupon which he can apply on this shirt. So let's talk about a new feature which would help in the business model: alert on price drop. So what does this mean? I mean, in the retailer, he can use this feature and alert the customer in case if the price drops below certain level. So let's see in what ways the customer can alert. The retailer can alert the customer. So we have all these options. I mean, email, mobile, using a Facebook post or a tweet, like Twitter. So there are like all these ways of communicating to the customer, informing him about the drop in the price. So let's see the actual workflow. If you see, the target of the retailer is to sell all the stock. First, let's see the use case where the retailer doesn't have this feature. So on the left side, if you see, if it is without alert, the retailer would decide on some discount. For an example, here the retailer first decides, okay, let me just discount the price by 20%. And after certain weeks, then he would see that, okay, he might have reduced his inventory by like 20% or 30%, and he still has some stock of the shirt in his inventory. So now then again he decides, okay, let me increase the discount price by 30%, and so on and so on. He would like try to increase the discount till he reduces his inventory to zero, and he would do that till he can max out on the discount and all the stuff. So here it's all the retailers call on how much discount he can make. So let's see the workflow where we can use this feature. So the retailer, the moment he starts thinking of discounting on the item, he would check for any alerts registered by a user. I mean, when a customer is registering for an alert, he would say, okay, alert me on my Facebook post, alert me using an email, alert me using a text message. So all these kind of alerts the customer can request. So the moment the retailer looks up, okay, these are the alerts which are registered for this particular item, and he would go through all the alerts and see, okay, he can if he has like 10 alerts, out of which he can see, okay, 4 alerts are above the price which I want to discount. In this example, there might be some alerts where they might have asked the price for like $26 on the actual compared to the actual price of $29.95. So rather than the retailer going dropping the price directly to 20% off, he would first send out an alert to those customers, tell them that, okay, the product which you have requested for price drop is reduced and is going on a special sale, and here is the new price, here is the item for the price which you asked for. And he would send out an alert and let the customer decide, okay, whether to buy or not. So there are two cases, whether he buys or not. If he buys the item, fine. If he doesn't buy, then what? So then there is then there is the next time. I mean, then there is the later case where the item is not purchased. And how do you find that? With today's technologies, I mean, using a mobile app technology, where using the geolocation services, you can say that you can find whether a customer, the customer location. Basically, you can guess like if the customer is around your store or around a particular location. You can track all those information. And in case if you find the customer somewhere shopping around your store in a mall or in any location, you can send a special alert to that particular customer saying that, okay, the the item which you have asked for is available in the store, and it is available for the price you asked for, but the condition is you need to walk into the store today and buy this item. So those kind of information, those kind of alerts using the geolocation services in the mobile apps, you can send an instant notifications to the customer saying that, okay, you got a special deal today for the price you have asked for. And you can also offer some extra discounts or extra deals for your customers. So that way you can make your customer walk into your store, buy the product what they want, and also make them look around your store and see how the quality looks like and the other products and the feel. So that would help you a lot in deciding in future, in deciding, I mean, like how you like serve your customers, what quality you maintain, and all those. So there is a big, I mean, like a big use case around this particular feature, which is not, I mean, like you don't need to like here in, at least with this kind of feature, you don't lose any, like there is no risk, the risk is zero. I mean, like you are just collecting some information depending on the interest of the customer, and then you are just notifying them saying that, okay, you have uh, registered some alerts, and we are processing and we are trying to help you send those deals and let the customer be happy. So it's all like customer based. And the importance of customer walk-in with the, and what is the necessity with the mobile technology, all the customers, I mean, they can just browse the all the store deals, all the store products online without feeling the actual quality of the product. And by making your customer walk into the store, you are making them feel in real about the products what you offer, your environment, and your customer service and all this. So that would impress and make your customer happy to shop and make their experience a great time. And then the ways to do it, you can have an option called free ship to store, irrespective of your item or something, irrespective of our item or maybe some minimum amount or something. But at least like this option would help you a lot. And then send discount alerts using mobile app, and whenever you find a customer walking near your store in a mall or a location, just send them special alert saying that, okay, if there's a special deal going on right now, if you walk in, show your mobile app or show a particular coupon, you will get some special discount. And then friend referrals on the same day. You can, if a customer bought an item just now, and if he refers to a friend who is he's also shopping in the same mall or same location, he would get some special discount. I mean, like these cannot be like a major discount, but it's like something better. Like, I mean, you can make your customers talk about your product and do some word of mouth marketing kind of thing. So pretty much done. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you. Thanks.